Service in Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, Racine County in southeastern Wisconsin, Kenosha County in southeastern Wisconsin until 10 p.m. At 8:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Delavan, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kenosha, Racine, Mount Pleasant, Pleasant Prairie, Elkhorn, Lake Geneva, Sturtevant, Twin Lakes, Union Grove, East Troy, Paddock Lake, Williams Bay, Camp Lake, Wind Lake, Rochester, Genoa City, Silver Lake, Richmond, Wind Point, and Fontana on Geneva Lake. People attending the Country Thunder Music Festival should seek safe shelter immediately. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.